Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add member tag in WhatsApp group chat. This is how to do it. Open your WhatsApp and navigate to the group you want to add a member tag. Click at the top and navigate to your profile. Click on it and here you can add your member tag. It means share your role, title or how you have known in the group. Your tag can be seen by all group members and anyone who joins them. So it's going to show you what the member tag will look like. Let me say, for example, if I use editor, this is what it will look like. If you are an editor in the group, you add it. If it is a mobile phone group, you can add the phone you are using and it will show anytime you send a message in the group. If it is a laptop group, you can write the specs of your laptop and it will always show when you send a message, just like Telegram and Reddit. Yes. So I'm also going to use admin. So when you are done writing your member tag, just click save. And from now on, your member tag will be visible anytime you send a message in the group. So that's how you add a member tag in WhatsApp group chat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.